Hi guys, JohninTucson here. I'm going to take you on a walk. This is a walking trail behind the housing community that I live in. It's a very small community, thank goodness. It's open raw desert out there. Isn't that awesome? There's trees called tamarisk trees. Tamarack trees, just depending on what part of the country you live in. They are native to the southwest desert region. There's a pond behind it. I was not aware of that. Interesting. Let's take a walk over here. Let me zoom in so you can see. Look at that. There's water in there. I did not know that even existed. Water in the desert. What a concept. Good stuff. I love that. Okay, let's get back on the paved trail here. This is the first time I've gone for a walk like this by myself for 15 years at least. Yep. I want to be living in an RV and doing my thing. I need to get my stamina up. Although my stamina has been fantastic, amazingly, recently. See, here's more. Ooh. Another shot of the water. I believe that's just standing water, if I'm not mistaken. It's a pretty good sized pond. I don't know where the water's coming from. I know that it rained yesterday and last night, but it wasn't a heavy rain, so it might just be runoff that's collecting in there. At any rate, kids, bring you up to date on what's going on with me. Like I said, it's January 18, 2020. Lots of things have changed in my life in the last month, actually. My mother is now in an assisted living facility. Oh, there's ducks out there? Yep, sure enough. Ducks. Let's see. Probably can't get close enough to see them, but yes, there are ducks out there. Yeah, that's hard to tell. I'm zooming in, and the sun's on the camera, so I can't tell. At any rate, my mother's in an assisted living facility. She is not happy with it. She's confused. Lots going on there. Unfortunately, her age is kicking in physically and mentally. And boy, she's really putting the stress on me. Get me out of here. Take me to your house. Do this and that. But she will do nothing to help herself rehabilitate physically. So she's bedbound, incontinent. At the time, she doesn't make any sense. So, as cruel as it sounds, but as necessary as it is, I'm getting on with my life for the first time in 10 years. Howdy! I'm 59 years old, and I have been housebound for the most part for 10 years. Actually about 14 years if you include my time in Phoenix with the cancer. So yeah, it's a long time to be sitting still and locked in the house. But now, ooh, look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Where I'm staying right now is with my sister here in Tucson. And this is what we look at. outside of her front door. Isn't that gorgeous? This is a beautiful place to live. At any rate, my house is on the market because, again, I have a disability and I do have a mortgage on the house, and it's a huge property, and I couldn't even begin to cover the utilities or the mortgage included on my disability payments every month, and have money left over for food, gas, life. So the house is on the market. Mom's income is taking care of her needs completely. Beautiful. Let's see if I can grab this in the background here. That over there is Mount Lemmon. We're surrounded by mountains here in Tucson. And yes, that is snow on top of the mountain. Snow on the mountain in the desert. But yeah, I'm buying my recreational vehicle when the house sells. That will be my permanent home. And lots to look forward to. Lots and lots. Of course, I'm still in Mom's life, and I will continue to be so. But she's winding down, and it's very sad. Very, very sad. But we all get there. And like I said, I'm not going to leave her. She's got me. I'll still take care of her. Here we go. Yeah, that's probably runoff from the rain last night, because it comes down from the mountain range there and all the mountains around here, and we've got drainage control all throughout the desert. Otherwise the water will just flood everything, and this is, I guess, one of the catch basins. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright, let's go back this way. Walking into the sun, I apologize for that. Hopefully it's not too bad. But yes, recreational vehicle on the horizon here is my permanent home. I'm living with my sister. It's fabulous. Great place to live. We get along brilliantly. I adore her. And soon, there he goes. And we will go from there. It's nice just to slow down like this and relax. It's been a long time coming, guys, let me tell you. Long time. I adore Mother, but I've been taking care of her and my father before he passed away 4 years ago for 10 years now. And that takes its toll. So, yeah, time for my life to move on, as my mother's is winding down, as all of our lives do. So I hope everyone's having a good day wherever you are. I'm going to be going back to the house, having a little lunch, and then I'm going to make a new TNT Boys reaction video. Filipino group, they're pretty cool. Okay, everyone, be kind to yourself, love yourself, be kind to others, do something cool and unexpected for someone that you may or may not even know today to help them out. Put a smile on their face. It's all good, guys. Keep it positive and it will come back to you, and your lives will be better because of it. I love you. Take care.